Good day, good day, good day. It's Wahid speaking, London Trading Empire. This is another video in terms of the weekly range expansion. I'll just put the annotations on here. Like before, you've got Sunday's opening, which is stipulated here. You got Monday and Tuesday's range, which you calibrate, okay, using the bodies of the candles. Okay, so you draw that range out, mark out 50% of that range, which is from high, a low to high, 50%. Draw a line there, 50%. Now, you don't execute till Wednesday, okay? You have to know your premise, which I mean your bias, okay? Uh, Obviously, we knew it was a bullish week, okay? So I'll just show you the entry points. And if you were bearish as well, like I've depicted in the last video, if you was bearish and you was executing on the Wednesday, this high would have normally been made during the day, or sometimes it can happen during the night and then during the evening, and that's where close of business, and that's where you execute. Once you see that high get taken here, I mean the body of the candle, normally when it takes that high out, it would then work its way out and take that range out there. So you would enter here and exit here, but we've got a bullish week. So this is a little bit different, but I'll show you how you use this range. So you've got the body on Monday and Tuesday here. Okay, you wait till Wednesday. Anything under equilibrium is where your entry point would be. Normally you would find like a fair value gap here or order block, which you see it hits significantly, which would be here. And then the lower time frame, how it would work as well is that you can see it work in that range. When you go down into the lower time frames, you'll see your entry points there. First take profit would be here when it takes out that high there, right on this candle. Okay, so your entry would be here, exit there. This is another. You would also have this annotated here, which would be buy side as well. Okay. Anyway, that's where your interest will lie as well. I mean, if you took another entry point here, okay. So we're just working that range. Okay, you're using the calibrated range here to find your entry points on the Wednesday, which would be either be under equilibrium. Now, a lot of people might ask, how would you know? Well, you have to know what you're looking for if you're bullish or bearish that week. Okay, in this terms, obviously, we knew we were bullish. Okay, so you would take anything under equilibrium. When you go into the lower time frames, you'll notice there's a swing broken, and on this candle, I counsel you to go into your own charts and look for it. That swing broken here would create a fair value gap in a fair value gap, and your entry would be here, 10 o'clock candle. As it drops down into that, bang, execute. First take profit here, stop to break even, and then and this is Thursday's trading. Okay, Thursday's trading, London makes the low inside of a fair value above discount. It's in a hurry to get to where this liquidity here. Okay, and that's where your second entry would be here, and your exit here. And that's it really, because as I get better with the editing, I'll show more things, how to trade in the lower time frames as well. But for now, using the weekly range expansion, your focus would be in the hour. Go over and watch the other video I posted as well, and take your time, study it, and you see that this thing happens very, very regular. It's repetitive. If it was bearish, like I said, you wait for Tuesday's high to get taken out, and then all the way back down to Monday's low, which would normally happen on the Thursday or the Friday. And the Friday would be it coming back into the range. Well, there's things I can teach you as well going on here, which would be a counter trend, okay, which would be it coming back into the range, okay. And what range is it coming into? The previous Friday's range. Okay, so this area here is a previous Friday's range. I counsel you to go back into your charts and look for it. I hope this video was insightful. I know it's short, it's 5 minutes, but take your time, rewatch it again, and you'll find the nuggets in there. It's a pleasure speaking. Leave a comment, questions, and I'll come back and watch the video in time, and hopefully I'll respond to you guys.